I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by offering genuine value, not favors. This is the only way to start a friendship that centers on gifting. First, pick one or two people whose tastes you know. Once chosen, prepare a modest, thoughtful gift that feels personal, homemade, curated, or an experience under $50. Then arrange a natural moment to give it. A quick meetup, coffee, or a friendly note within 2 days. Do this to open conversation and show you care without pressure or expectation of immediate return. Once the initial gift is received, turn that moment into a shared ritual to build momentum. Ask open-ended questions about what the gift means to them and listen. This signals genuine interest and teaches you what matters. Then create small next actions. Invite them to a related activity, send a photo, or give a tiny follow-up token within a week. Make sure to balance giving with curiosity. Reciprocal exchanges will grow naturally when you consistently connect through thoughtful, low-pressure interactions. To solidify the friendship, schedule a predictable mutual activity, monthly coffee, a seasonal swap, or a shared hobby meetup. Consistency makes the relationship feel safe and reciprocal. If interest wanes, don't escalate. Pause giving and ask a direct, non-accusatory question about their availability or preferences. Once done, adjust frequency or the gift style to match their response. Remember, the only way works because it centers respect and choice, never pressure. Troubleshoot by stepping back, listening, and recalibrating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.